Welcome to a journey through the Dragon Ball universe, where the most powerful and mysterious beings play a crucial role in the story. Today, we will dive into the fascinating narrative behind Zeno Sama, the King of All. Zeno Sama, also known as Omni King, is a divine entity that rules over all universes in the Dragon Ball multiverse. Its introduction into the plot was a crucial moment that changed the dynamics of the cosmos and the scale of power irreversibly. Eons ago, when the gods of creation were forging the multiverse, a unique being emerged, a supreme being that transcended all dimensions. This being was Zeno Sama. From his throne in Zeno's palace, located in the celestial realm, he observes with omniscient eyes the flow of events in every corner of the multiverse. Although his childish appearance and carefree attitude may be deceiving, the reality is that Zeno Sama possesses unfathomable power. His ability to erase entire universes with a simple thought makes him the most feared and respected deity. But, despite his immense power, his true focus is maintaining balance and harmony in the multiverse. One of the most shocking moments in the history of Zeno Sama occurred during the Tournament of Power. Faced with the threat of total destruction of the losing universes, Zeno Sama decided to organize an epic tournament between teams from different universes. This event was not only a spectacle of skill and strategy, but also an opportunity for Zeno Sama to demonstrate his authority by spectacularly erasing entire universes with a simple gesture. Another highlight was his friendship with Goku. Despite his position as a supreme being, Zeno Sama found an unusual companion in Goku. Goku's innocence and sincerity seemed to attract the Omni King's sympathy, creating a unique relationship that defies cosmic conventions. This concludes our immersion in the story of Zeno Sama, the king of everything in the Dragon Ball universe. A divine being whose power is as vast as his role in the plot is transcendental. Stay tuned for more exciting chapters in this epic journey through Dragon Ball mythology. Until the next adventure,